I think so. AI in the industry, it's somewhat, you hear all the fear and all the scariness of it. AI is it's a tool, right? Like any other tool, there was a hammer, right? You had the hammer and the nail, and then they came up with like a power hammer. It just, you hold it over, just knock it straight down. So the people who used to hit, they lost their jobs, right? Because now they just got this one machine that you put over the top and nails it down. AI is a power screwdriver, right? It's the tool that's faster. Will it replace jobs? Yes. Like any industry thing, it will. So there are a lot of the film industry areas in which AI is going to be very helpful. People will lose their jobs, but other people will be very successful because you won't need 30 colorists anymore. You'll need 10. Right? But the thing is, it still takes human adjustment. So somebody still has to do it.